Was only fooling myself. With each passing day, the pain still stays the same. Caught you in the arms of another. I've been dying every day since then. Caught you in the arms of another. I found out about you. Caught you in the arms of another. I've been dying every day since then. Caught you in the arms of another. I found out about you.
Good morning, sun. I am a bird wearing a brown polyester shirt. You want a Coke, maybe some fries. The roast beef combo's only $9.95. But it's okay, you don't have to pay. I've got all the change. Everybody knows it hurts to grow up, and everybody does. So weird to be back here. Let me tell you what, the years go on and we're still fighting, and we're still fighting. And you're so much like me. I'm sorry. Good morning, sun. 20 years from now, maybe we'll both sit down and have a few beers, and I can tell. I'm packed and I'm holding, I'm smiling, she living, she golden, she lives for me. Says she lives for me, ovation, her own motivation. She comes round and she goes down on me, and I make you smile like a drug for you. Do ever what you wanna do, coming over you. Keep on smiling what we go through. One stop to the rhythm that divides you, and I speak to you like the chorus to the verse. Drop another line like a coda with the curse. Coming like a freak show takes the stage. We give him the games he plays. To say I want something else to get me through this semi-time kind of life. Baby, baby, I want something else. I'm not listening when you say goodbye. The sky was gold, it was rose. I was taking sips of it to my nose, and I wish I could get back there, someplace back there, smiling in the pictures you would take. Doing crystal meth will lift you up until you break. It won't stop. I won't come down and keep stop with the tick-tock rhythm. I bumped for the drop and then I bumped up. I took the hit that I was given, then I bumped again, then I bumped again. I said, how do I get back there to the place where I fell asleep inside you? How do I get myself back to the place where you said I want something else to get me through this semi-time kind of life? Baby, baby, I want something else. I'm not listening when you say goodbye.
Nagsimula ang lahat sa eskwela, nagsama-samang 12 sa kalokohan at sa tuksuhan, hindi maawat sa isa't isa. Madalas ang standby sa cafeteria, isang barkada na kay saya. Laging may hawak-hawak na gitara, konting udyok lamang kakanta na. Kay simple lamang ng buhay nun, walang mabibigat na suliranin. Problema lamang laging kulang ang datong. Sana napunta ang panahon? Sana nga ba? Sana nga ba? Sana napunta ang panahon? Sana nga ba? Sana nga ba? Sana napunta ang panahon? Sa unang ligaw kayo'y magkasama, magkasabwat sa pambobola. Walang sikreto kayong tinatago, okay sarap ng samahang barkada. Nagkawatakan na sa kolehiyo, kanya-kanya na ang lakaran. Kahit minsan na lang kung magkita, pagkakaibigay hindi nawala. At kung saan na napadpad ang ilan, sa dating eskwela meron din naiwan. Meron pa ng mga ilang nawala na lang, nakakamiss ang dating samahan. Sana nga ba? Sana nga ba? Sana nga bang barkada ngayon? Sana nga ba? Sana nga ba? Sana nga bang barkada ngayon? Ilang taon din ang nakalipas, wala pa sa aming tatay na nagsusumikap upang yumaman at guminhawang kinabukasan. Paminsan-minsan kami nagkikita, mga naiwan at natira. At gaya nung araw namin sa eskwela, pag magkasama'y nagwawala. Napakahirap malimutan ang saya ng aming samahan. Kahit lumipas ng ilang taon, magkabarkada pa rin ngayon. Magkaibigan, magkaibigan, magkaibigan pa rin ngayon. Magkaibigan, magkaibigan, magkabarkada